Check that out. That's awesome. Welcome back to the channel, guys. The ladies are doing great. Got some happy birds in there. The Farm Light automatic chicken door is doing amazing. Sucker works like clockwork. It goes off when the sun comes up in the morning, and when it's dark at night. I have it set to light sensitivity. You can set it to time or to light sensitivity, but very happy with that Farm Light door. Today, I've had that when they were just baby chicks. They have a big water container inside the hen box there. But today I'm going to build a better container for water, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, I have decided to go with this Rent-A-Coop product. It's a chicken waterer kit, horizontal nipples with patented dribble dishes. This looks like it is a very easy install. I'm seeing that the threads are tapered in there, if you could see that. So we'll open the package here in a second, you can see it better. But basically you drill a hole, certain size drill bit, and you start to screw them in. It looks like there's a tool that you use to screw it in. So basically you need the watering dishes. We need a drill with the proper size drill bit and a container. I've decided to use this type of container. You can use a 5-gallon bucket. You can use this. I mean, there's a lot of different containers you can use, but this is what I'm choosing. Okay, really? This looks super easy. Their packaging is brilliant. It came in a little box. It's all you need. You got your instructions here. You give a little sticker. Maybe I'll stick that in the coop with the girls. So we're going to need measure a 1 inch from the bottom of the container and drill holes using a 3/8 inch drill bit. I have the wrong size bit, so let me go get that. Okay, so basically I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It came with 6 nozzles, so I'm going to put 2 here, 2 on this side, and 2 on that side. And the cool thing is, once you drill your hole, you put this attachment on the drill, and that screws, it tightens it in for you. Pretty cool. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and drill them in. Now the instructions do say this washer here, make sure that it's pushed up to the back of this piece here before drilling it in. It does say do not overdo it, you know, so when you feel it starting to grab, don't just keep going. You're going to strip that the plastic out.
You can feel it grab.
We're done. Now, obviously, I'm going to put water in it now and make sure we don't have any leaks coming out of the back. If so, I didn't put these on really tight. I'm sure I could twist them on another time or two. Okay, I got the water up to here. Now for the official test. Let's pick it up and make sure none of them are leaking. There ain't no water dripping. Awesome. Okay, so basically all I did, I'm setting it on a couple blocks just to get it a decent height for the girls. There we go. Check that out. That's awesome. And they say the best thing to do is just go ahead and put some water and let the birds see it dripping. And then they'll know, hey, there's water in there. So that's what we're gonna do. And chickens are very curious anyways, especially the color red. So they're gonna come over here and check it out, and they're gonna know it's water. All right, ladies, drink up. She's checking it out. She's curious. Just a matter of time before they know exactly what it is, but go for it, girl. There you go. Yep, she just got herself a drink. The other ones will see her and they'll know exactly what to do. That's awesome. Okay, let's wrap another video up. Really cool product. Check them out. I will put a link, an Amazon link to that product in the description of this video. Please check out my Farmlight automatic door video. And I also have a time lapse of how I built this coop. So appreciate your time checking it out. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, I'm really good at answering questions. So y'all have a blessed day.